Hello, and welcome. As I believe I told you before, pins and buttons have been something that I have enjoyed for a long time. Extra ignored. What did I do? Oh, right. Haha. So as you can see, I'm now sporting a I love my Commodore computer button on my hat. Anyway, what am I going to do today? Well, I don't have room here much because there's stuff around, but I did something today. Oh, that I try not to do. I'll just move this into place here. Here's a Commodore 64. And I'm going to unbox it. But I can't really show you the box right here because there's not enough room. So I will carefully make sure things go back in. Here is the system guide. Learning to program in BASIC 2.0. And what is this? The introductory guide, which pretty much, from what I remember, shows you how to hook it up. That is lovely. Lovely. But there are more things in here. I don't know what they are yet. That's the surprise, because you never know what people have accumulated over the years. This looks like a cord. Oh, look. It's a power supply. So, this. There it is. Ta-da! This will need to be tested. And thankfully, I have just the thing. And of course, even though I vowed never to be in a position of having to battle for plugs, that's exactly what I meant. I need more power stuff here. So, with these power supplies that are the originals, it is the 5-volt side that can be troublesome. The 9-volt side pretty much is okay, but the 5-volt side, this one is 5.23. So that should be okay. Now, does that mean the 9-volt side is working? No, it doesn't. But it means that this should not be dangerous. Oh, and you know what I'm going to do? There should be a marker here. Damn, I hate things have gotten ahead of me here. All right, this should do. On the back, right above where it says power supply, I will mark 5.23. Then, now, I'll leave this here plugged in, because once we get to the rest of this, we'll try it with this. What else do we have? Oh, okay. We have... Oh. We have a mouse. With dirty balls, or a dirty ball. But that's what they were. It's by A4 Tech. And it has on it a joystick port thing. Maybe it actually works with the 64. I don't know. What else is in here? That feels like cardboard. Oh, there we have the switch box to connect it to a television. Now what is this? This is something called a 2-wire output. Something. Anyway, this is not that I know of for anything to do with this computer, but things happen. So I think I have all of the things out of the thing. I will set that here for a moment. I think I saw something else in here. Oh yes, here's a curiosity. And this could go. It is a little cable. And it's a 5-pin DIN that then goes to what is, I think, called the Super VHS thing. But it has, this is the female version. So, I'm not sure what application that would have, but there are possibilities. There are. So here, oh, wait, we're not done. This is the 64, missing one key. The 0 key. But wait, there's more stuff. Whoa. More stuff in the bottom of the box. I did not see. Oh, okay. Here are some RCA connector things that probably go with the stereo. Probably were not used for this, and it looks like they've never been used. I'll put them down in the box of things to be tested, even though I'm sure they're fine. Now, what else is here? A user's manual. That could be for the mouse. It could be. No. I don't think it is. What is it for? FCC, yeah. Oh, it's some kind of... Well, this is a Q-link thing. Radio and television interference. Yeah. This manual describes the installation and operation for WinMouse. This includes the serial. If you have it, oh, okay. I wonder. I am not sure that this is at all for the 64, but anyway, I'll put it in the box. Here is a disc that I'm always happy to find. GEOS. A list of warranty repair locations, state by state. What is this? Black lamp. I suspect it is a game that is not in its proper thing, but still, right, made by Rainbird. With this printed on. Steve Kenny Everett. Software operations. Alright, back in the box. Here we have, ooh, what do we have? GEOS system backup. And GEOS application. Back in the box. More warranty. Oh, instructions as to how to hook up your 64 to a variety of things. Oh, I guess they don't have this anymore. But it's the manual, or they didn't, because I didn't get it. The manual from 1802. More hookup things. Something expeditions, educational computer activities. Warranty information. Just to fill it out now, never been filled out. And of course the authorized repair locations, state by state. Okay. Well, we are getting there. The next thing I need to really do is check out the 64. But I'm going to put things back in the box, and it does seem somebody is trying to call me, so maybe I'll look into that. And when we return, we'll try to hook this 64 up and see what's what. 64C, sorry. Thanks for being here. Stay tuned. Bye for now.